Imagine this. It's midnight. You're lying in bed, scrolling endlessly through Instagram. You swore you'd sleep early, but here you are, again. Meanwhile, someone else just used this same time to build a business, invest in stocks, or learn a high-income skill. The difference? They controlled their time. You let time control you. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. Most people waste over 40% of their day on distractions, regrets, and procrastination. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage your time like a millionaire. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never see time the same way again. Because in just a few minutes, I'll reveal the single most powerful strategy billionaires use to stay ahead. But first, let's fix the biggest mistake keeping you from success. Let's talk about the enemy of success, time leaks. Every notification, every 5-minute break on Instagram, every unnecessary meeting, it all adds up. Did you know the average Indian spends over 3 hours a day on social media? That's over 1,000 hours per year. Gone. That's enough time to learn a new skill, start a business, or even build your financial freedom. Congrats, you've just wasted a whole week doing nothing. But don't worry, we're about to change that. Because next, I'm going to show you the secret technique top CEOs use to instantly free up their time and increase productivity by 10x. Ever heard of the 80-20 rule? Here's the shocking truth. 80% of your results come from just 20% of your actions. The world's wealthiest people know this secret and apply it ruthlessly. The difference between being busy versus productive is knowing which tasks truly matter. Ask yourself, what's the one thing I can do today that will give me the biggest impact? And speaking of impact, there's one simple daily habit that can make or break your entire future. Let's talk about it now. If there's one thing that separates top achievers from everyone else, it's this. They don't manage time. They design it. They use a system called time blocking. Here's how it works. Step 1, identify your high-impact tasks. Work, learning, finances. Step 2, block specific times for deep focus, no distractions allowed. Step 3, automate, delegate, or eliminate low-value tasks. Let's be honest, if you don't schedule it, it won't happen. Your time should be booked like a millionaire's calendar. Even your free time should be intentional. And now it's time for the biggest time management hack that most people completely ignore. Here's the ultimate truth. Your time is money. Every wasted hour is rupees lost. If you treat time like a limited resource and spend it wisely, you'll become wealthier faster than you ever imagined. Every second you waste is a second you could have used to build your dream life. So the question is, what will you do with your next 24 hours? Now that you know how to master your time, the next step is learning how to master your money. Click this video right now to discover how to save 10,000 fast, even if you're on a low income.